Hi everyone. In this video, we're gonna look into the process of creating some text effect videos that plays on scroll using Framer's awesome video features. As soon as a content card is in the view, its title video enters the scene with a nice rotate animation, which is done in Framer, and animation video starts to be played. By the way, we are using the text effect that we created in the previous Adobe Express tutorial, which you're gonna find the link in the description for. And of course, you can also find the remix link of this Framer file. So let's get started. Let's check the card component real quick. We can see it has a video wrapper component, which has its video file property set to a variable, and the other variable is the body text that we use in our cards. We can also check video wrapper component, which includes the Framer video component. The reason I created another surrounding component for the video is being able to start video in another variant. When we go back to card component, we can see that we have a scroll variant effect added to the video wrapper component, triggered when the layer is in the view, and has a transition to play variant from the paused one, since we wouldn't be able to trigger the video otherwise. Actually, let's check the variants of video wrapper. You can see by default it has paused variant, and when the layer is in the view, we switch to play variant, which has the video component set to be played. When we check the video component in it, also we assign its file value here to a variable to be able to use in our card component. I want to also quickly cover how I edited the text effect in Adobe Express. I copied the previous page that has our text effect from the Express tutorial. I will quickly demonstrate how I edited the text and its effect. First, after clicking Edit Timeline, I will edit the text with the effect in the first scene to be our first title, Rhythm. After changing the text, I will paste the prompt to generate the text effect for that specific title, which I've generated with ChatGPT, and I'm gonna hit Enter. And let's say we're gonna use this effect for our title Rhythm. Then I will click the back icon at top left, and after going to Edit tab, I will center it horizontally to be able to select and edit the plain text underneath while the text at top is selected. Holding Shift, I'm gonna press up arrow key, let's say 3 times. Now I can select the text at the bottom and change it to our title Rhythm. Then I'm gonna center it also. Then I'll select the text at top again, and I'm gonna make sure that I am editing the text, not its prompt on the left. So I'm gonna select it from the layers panel and press down arrow key again to take it back to its original position. This way we kept our text's animations and other properties instead of creating them from scratch. Then for the second scene, I will copy the text at top. Select the top text in the second scene and delete it. While we have the regular text editable, I will change it to our title Rhythm. Then I will center it. Then paste the new title with the effect. But since it still has the fade-in animation from the previous scene, while it is still selected, I'm gonna go to the Animation tab and click Remove All to remove basically all animations. Then for the next scenes, I will copy the non-animated version of the top text. I'm doing it with the menu to make sure that I'm copying the text itself. Then I will go to the third scene. Again, delete the text at top, edit the regular text to be our new title, center it. Then I will paste the text with the effect, and one last time in the next scene I will select the text at top and delete it, change the regular text to be our new title, center it, and paste the text with the effect. Let's check the animation. and we can see all our scenes work perfectly with our new texts and the effects, right? Now all we need to do is exporting our animation as MP4. We can do that by clicking the download button at top, and after checking the settings, clicking the download button in the model. In Framer, as video files are small, I haven't uploaded them somewhere else and included them with the URL feature of the video component, but I think it would be better to do it that way to keep the file size smaller. And after doing all those, I had my animation completed in Framer with amazing custom video animations for the titles in the content cards. Certainly a great way to create delightful UIs and designs in general, to present the valuable information in a creative and more enjoyable way. That concludes our tutorial. I hope you liked it. If you want to see more, be sure to subscribe, turn the notifications on, check my other tutorials, and see you in the next one.